So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to build or to make a simple functionality of filter, okay, based on some data that I have. So let's go and try to make it. First of all, mention it on my readme file, that is filter functionality based on the JSON data. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is make a component just by saying filter food data, filter food. Just give it the name of filter food .jsx. After that, just write rafc shorthand. So now let's import this one into the app file. I'll just write filter food, and it automatically imported the filter food from the component filter food. So now let's start the server, npm run dev. Okay, so let's see whether it is running correctly or not. I'm just opening it at port number 5173. Let me click once again. Okay, just let me write 5173. Oh sorry, this is the wrong route. Okay, now it's working. It is giving the filter food option. So I have a data of JSON data, so I have already copied it to my notepad. So let me copy and paste into the actual component. So I'll be pasting it over here, so you can see over the data over here. Okay, so what I'll do is basically, first of all, I'll make three buttons based on like category wise we will be filtering out. Okay, so first of all, let me write button. Button, this is, let's say, all. Let's say this is fruit. This is vegetable. Okay, so let's in on click, I just want to change the value. Okay, so what I will write, handle, handle click, let's say. So initially I'll be writing like this is all. Okay, I'll just copy this and will paste it to the next button, and same as like next button. And this initially this will say like this is the all one, and this will say like this is the fruit one, right? So whatever the name that you have in this category, you just need to copy paste the whole shit and just paste it here, and same vegetable gonna be pasted in this button, right? Okay, so we have made a one function, that is handle click. So let's make a handle click function, handle click, sorry. Okay, so here we are passing one parameter, right? So we will be taking it here as well by name category, let's say. I'm sorry, this is wrong syntax. Okay, so for that category we need to store it somewhere, right? So for that we will use one use state hook in order to store the current value. Filter set filter and state. Initially what we will do, initially we will say please store all the products. Okay, so that's why we have put all as an initial value of filter. Okay, so after click on these buttons, I just want to change the category, right? So what I will do is set filter. I'll mention what category, whatever I have taken it this as a parameter, I'll be setting it into the set filter thing. Okay, now after that I have to show the data, right? So in order to show the data, first we need to filter the data. So let's write const filtered data. Okay, so right, so how we will make a logic over here is, suppose initially the filter is all. Okay, then I just want to show the whole data. That means the full data, like this full data, right? So I'll be mentioning here the data. Otherwise, if the filter, what I will do is otherwise what I will do is data.filter item. Suppose the item dot category, if it triples equals to the filter thing. Okay, so this is the actual logic. So suppose if there will be all chosen in the filter section, that the whole data will be shown. Otherwise, that we will filter it out from the data, and would say like if the category is selected to the actual filter, then return those data whatever the category has. Okay, so after that, what I'll do is make a div. Alright, inside the div I just gonna use the map function, let's say over here. Okay, so let's give a class name to like grade and grade calls. Let's say I just want to show the three things initially, and I just want to filter the whole data in this using the filtered data dot map. Let's say item and ind, that is index. Now I just want to make one div over here, and let's give this div to item dot ind index. Just give the image to it. Let's say item dot image, and in the alternative let's give item dot name. After that, what I will do is let's say h2 item dot name. After that, what I will do is paragraph, let's say the description part, item dot description. After that, paragraph, let's say the category, I just want to show the category thing, right? So category. So let's see. Okay, you can see the design I have not made, so I have designed. So I'll do it for you, just hold a minute. So according to me, I guess it is working, right? It is fetching all the data. So just make little bit of the design of this. Let's make the div over here. Let's say class name flex, justify center, item center, gap will be like 5. Okay, it is working correctly. Okay, do filter functionality. Let's give the class name text center, text for Excel, text blue Fanso. Okay, let's give font bold. Okay, now give padding 8 from up and down. Okay, so now let's see whether it is working correctly or not. Let me click fruits. Yes, it is giving the fruit thing. After that, vegetable. Yeah, it is giving the vegetable thing. Once I click to the all, yeah, it is working properly, exactly. So this is how you can make the filter functionality. Let's say h1 filter functionality. Okay, let's say class name text center, text for Excel, text, let's say blue 500, font bold. Okay, let's give padding 8. Okay, now it's working correctly. So this is like all, this is giving me the full fruit thing, and this will give me the vegetable, all, that's it. Correct. So it is working correctly, right? So see the code.